Hoarder ba ako pag marami akong gamit na yung memorabilia naman sa akin, they mean something to me?
It's likely that you are not a hoarder, no? Even yung label ho o yung word na hoarder, kailangan nating i-explore, no? Because that is such a like a Western concept, no? So what might it mean to us, no, Filipinos, to us Asians? Yun nga ho, konti pa yung studies on it, no? And ang nakikita ho dun sa studies from the West is that yun nga, just like what you mentioned earlier, no, na may safety hazards na it's dangerous dun sa mga living areas of people with hoarding disorder. And it interferes with their daily living, no? With their work, with their relationship with others, no? Their social interaction. Maaari din ho, katulad ng sinabi nyo, yung spectrum siya, may iba't ibang level of severity.
Okay.
From yung excessive acquisition, no?
Oo.
You can look at it on one end of the spectrum all the way to mayroon ng mga delusions.
Delusions.
Oo, yung
Parang meron yun sa show na yun, nakikita ko, dami-dami nilang damit. May tags pa.
Hindi tinatanggal.
May tags pa. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa nila ginagamit.
Correct.
Hoarding bang maituturing, Jessica? Kasi meron akong mga maong na size 26 pa rin.
Totoo ba? Parang dalaga ka pa nun, Miss Ali. O sa
Sobra ka naman. Hindi. So, no, seriously, holding on to things.
Correct. Memories yun eh.
Bukod dun sa memories, yung tingin mo, may paggagamitan pa naman, di ba? May ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa ako nawawala ng pag-asa. No. No, seriously eto na, yung sa clutter na yan, na minsan nagkakaproblema ka na doon sa doon sa mga asawa mo,
Yeah.
yung mga anak mo.
Hindi na sila komportable rin sa ganun.
Hindi ba? Ganun usually nga parang nagkakaroon ng intervention, di ba,
Yeah.
Jessica? Para sabihin ng mga mahal mo sa buhay na, oy, sakit na yan. Sakit na yan. Hindi ba, Jessica?
Yeah. Yun yung tinatawag kong it's a mental health condition or a mental health disorder na. It interferes with your relationships with others, with family, even possibly with neighbors, no?
Oo! Eyesore ka na. Eyesore na yung bahay mo, di ba?
Sa tamid ng tambak.
Nasa front yard mo na yung mga tambak mo, di ba?
Tambak na sa harap.
Pwede pa yun, fire hazard.
Yes, totoo yun. Pwede maging lalo ngayon, Fire Prevention Month, no? Month of March.
How do you sift through your things? Na, like ako kasi, I find it hard to let go. Like, let's say, sabi ko nga, yung artwork ng anak ko nasa akin pa hanggang ngayon. Diba? 44 na yung anak ko. Jessica?
Yeah. Well, it's both sweet din ho, no? And you're also thinking about yung value pa nitong item na to sa time na ito, no? So how do you sift through what to let go of or what to discard? It actually would depend on each person or each family. No, it's different for each person and each family. But rule of thumb, no, if it's getting in the way of, if the items are getting in the way of yung safety, living in a safe way.
Relationships.
Yeah.
Yun ho yung isang sign na, okay, I better reassess, no? And there are many ways to organize things, no, sort and discard things.
Let's get together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.